You guys normalize it for Shebada to come and click his life and call me a slut. It's okay for you guys. You guys don't see anything wrong with it, right? You guys literally don't see anything wrong with it. But you see Emma, the moment Emma opens her mouth to talk, it's a problem because Emma is not a Jamaican. So Emma should just sit and take everything that is being thrown at Emma. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You guys want to say people should be able to take constructive criticism. Yes, everybody, I mean not everybody, I can take constructive criticism, but you don't try to tell me your point or put your points across and then you're being disrespectful with it. No, you don't do that. You don't do that. You calling me a slut is so uncalled for. After you don't know nobody will me sell me front to, why you call me slut for? After me never skin on me pussy and send it in your phone, why you call me slut for? After you don't know nobody will have me front in a them phone, why you call me slut for? After you don't know nobody will fuck me, why you call me slut for? Why? How am I a slut? Why are you calling me a slut? You guys normalize men bringing down women. You guys normalize men being able to insult women, forgetting that it's the same women that give birth to you. You come out of their pussy, and for you to disrespect a woman like that is so like, I really would not understand certain things. At the end of the day, I would not understand certain things. How do you guys really normalize the fact that a man that does not know what child pain is, a man that does not know what it takes to bring a child into this world, should be able to call another woman, disrespect a woman, and you guys normalize it? You guys normalize it. It's not funny, bro. It's not funny. Because at the end of the day, the same front where you come out of, me have the same front. You should not disrespect women. You should not disrespect women. It's so uncalled for. You can say what you have to say, but don't be disrespectful with it. Say what you have to say and just move on, bro. You don't have to cuss me. You don't have to tell me say me a slut. You don't have to tell me say me a this, me a this, me a that. No, you don't have to do that. Because it's a woman that brought you into this world at the same time. It's a woman. You see, any man that can disrespect a woman, yo, you being able to disrespect a woman, that says a lot about you. That says a lot about you. Because a man should treat a woman as a queen. A man should respect the grounds that a woman walks on. Because you see that woman brings life. Something that you cannot do. That woman brings life, bro. Without women, you would not be where you are. I mean, I said it's just for me, you know. Me just not understand or normalize man that bring down woman and love body key because you don't like the person. It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. And some of you guys wanna be women so bad. Born to be a man, forced to be a woman. Eh? You bend down and skin out your body and let another man put his prick in your body. How would you even respect another woman? After you want to be a woman so bad. Some of you are born to be men, forced to be women. Some of you are born to be men and forced to be women. If you are take cocky and me I take cocky, then what is the difference? You are a woman just like me. You're a woman just like me. If me and you are take cocky, you're a woman like me now. What makes you a man? What makes you a man? You have stripped away that dignity that calls you a man. You have stripped it away. When men are talking, you are not supposed to be talking as a man. At the end of the day, you cannot even identify your gender. Because if they say women go this way, men go this way, you have stripped away that dignity to say you are a man. So you cannot talk when men are talking. And you cannot talk when women are talking. So where are you? In between? Uno hate girl because girl born with front. And uno want to have front so bad. Because me born with front and uno want to have front so bad. Uno turn to hate me. It's not my fault, bro. It's not my fault. You see me? I do not judge people. I am very, 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 very much. I'm one of the people, you see, if somebody is a batty man, I don't, like, it's not my batty I use, right? It's not my batty. I don't judge people for their sexuality, you know. I do not judge people for their sexuality. But what's fucked up is for you as a batty man to come and bring down a woman thinking because you're a batty man, true, you take cocky and me I take cocky, that means you're a woman just like me. No. At the end of the day, you are still a man. A man without pride, a man without dignity. Some uno just come over here and feel like say uno want to do the most. Uno feel like senior jankro. Alright! Alright, thank you. Uno feel like senior jankro. And uno want to come bring down girl. Please. Me not say nobody not have no right to say nothing about me, you know. Because at the end of the day, anything that is on the internet, everybody has the right to talk about it. But just don't disrespect me. Because I didn't disrespect you in no form of way. You can tell me your opinion, but do not disrespect me with it. Don't do it. Alright, thank you, Miss Lewis, thank you. Una go come over here, come. Yo, I swear, God knows that if I was a negative person, you guys would have turned me into something that I'll literally regret after. Like, you guys will literally turn me into somebody that I'll regret later. Oh, big up. But no, I have my family watching me, right? I have younger ones that look up to me. So me now gonna make no change me for who I am to who I am not. I'm not going to make you guys change me to who I am not. I'll keep on being me and doing me. And being me does not mean I'm perfect. I'm going to do me, what I think is right. And the fact that I think is right doesn't mean it's right. It's just what I think, right? And it's okay if it doesn't align with you, if it doesn't align with what you say or what you believe in. It's all right. But that's me at the end of the day. You don't expect me to come and be who you want me to be, because I cannot live my life to please you. I cannot live my life to please you, because human beings cannot be pleased. Oh, brain. Human beings cannot be pleased. If you want to live your life to please human beings, it's going to, at the end of the day, you regret it. Like, you did not get to be you. And then you regret it because the same people you're trying to please are the same people that will bring you down. Let me tell you this now. The internet is not a real place now. The internet is not a real place. Oh no, quick, you forget people just like this. 1 minute they are talking about you and the next minute they forget you. Look at Dummy. Look at Dummy. Where's Dummy today? You guys have totally forgotten Dummy, like Dummy did not exist at all. You guys have forgotten like Dummy did not exist. Dummy is behind bars and you guys have forgotten him. Where's Nicki Minaj's friend, know who me I talk about, right? Nicki Minaj's friend, that he doesn't used to show his face. No. Blame them. Where's Blame them? Everybody are going like say, and the worst part is, Uno don't even know where Blame them is. But you guys have forgotten about Blame them. So why should I come to try and please you guys at the end of the day? When if something happened to me today, I saw Uno move on to the next. If something happened to me today, Uno move on to the next. It's going to be a talk of the moment. Yes, but you guys are going to forget about it. And forget about me and move on with your lives. Like, I'm not a part of your life at the end of the day. I'm just an entertainment tool. Once you come on TikTok and you're bored, you go look for screen recordings or whatever, or watch me or whatever. And if it deactivate my account today, at some point you guys are going to forget that there was ever somebody like Emmy. So why should I try to please you guys with my lifestyle? Why? Why should I try to do anything to please you guys? Me not do it. I'm going to do what works for me, what makes me happy. Because at the end of the day, what matters the most is my happiness. Me not live my life to please nobody, no boy, no girl. Me not go live my life to please nobody. As so sit down with man and them abuse and like you guys are sitting in relationships that they are beating you guys physically, like you guys are going through abuse, and you guys sit there because you're scared of what society is going to say when you leave that relationship. And then some of you guys, you end up dead. Some of you guys stay in abusive relationships because you want it to look like, oh, that girl, yeah, oh, I want man she there with, oh, that girl, yeah. When you're dead, they are going to forget about you.